Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the June 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. So if you're not familiar with our kits, the Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It will include 4 brand new collections. You'll get patterned paper, cardstock, and embellishments. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so that you can brew it up and sip on while you create. You'll receive access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, so they have one for each one of the 4 collections. They give you cutting and assembly instructions and full color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with our design team, or of course you can go off on your own inspiration and create whatever you like. We also have add-ons available for the Flavors of the Month. If you want the kit to be even bigger, you can buy a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. And you can also check out our Shots of Life kit, which is our pocket page scrapbooking, and it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month as well. So it can give you more patterned paper and more embellishments. So this month, our 4 collections are Echo Park, A Slice of Summer, full of summer beautiful flowers and icons. It's just gorgeous. And My Mind's Eye, Gingham Foundry. From Photoplay Paper, we have Wicker Lane. And from Vicki Booten, we have Color Study. So you can see it is chock full of gorgeousness this month. So I know you're going to love every bit of it. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of the collections. Our first collection we're going to look at is A Slice of Summer from Echo Park. This is perfect for your backyard barbecues, your summer outings, going to get ice cream, just gorgeous collection, or even documenting your flowers. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This pattern paper that has all of the beautiful flowers on it. The back is a red gingham check. This paper is called Summer Floral. We have all the cute campers and then the little bugs and the flowers around them. The back is a green and white polka dot. Reminds me of watermelon there together. This one is called Happy Campers. We have another floral that's a little bit smaller print on that blue background. The back is a gorgeous wood grain, and who doesn't love a good wood grain? This one is called Hello Summer Floral. So you can see some awesome B-side papers there, and gorgeous A-sides. For your embellishments, you're going to receive one of the sheets out of the stickers, and so these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I got. So lots of pieces for titles and subtitles, and then great summer icons is what is on mine. And then you'll receive a third a pack of the die cuts. So again, these will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation of the embellishments that you will receive. You will have plenty to do lots of layouts. So I have some great little phrases to use as titles and then some banners, and love the little watering can of flowers. So that is A Slice of Summer from Echo Park. The next collection we're going to look at is My Mind's Eye, and this is called Gingham Foundry, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors and that dark navy blue and that gold. It's just stunning. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. Your pattern paper is this gorgeous floral on the cream background. The back is this starburst print in the gold on cream. Kind of reminds me of a quilt print. This paper is called Front Porch. Then we have this one that's the plaid in the gold. Beautiful small floral print on the back, and this paper is called Cornflower. Then we have this kind of chevron navy blue. I love this down here. Home is where the heart is. A few of my favorites. So some little phrases. The back is some more phrases in a typeset. This is just gorgeous. This paper is called Sunday Best. So this is perfect for just documenting stories, your family, just everyday moments to big special moments as well. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these will vary, but this is the one I got. So I got some kind of banner type pieces, some numbers, icons. Then you're also going to receive some die cuts. So this is about 1/6 of a pack of the die cuts. Again, these will vary. And then you'll also receive some of the enamel dots. They will vary in color, but I got the light blue. So again, that is Gingham Foundry from My Mind's Eye. Our third collection is from Photoplay Paper called Wicker Lane. So we started out with Echo Parks. It was the bright primary colors. Then we went to My Mind's Eye, which is just the two colors, that dark navy blue and that golden kind of country feel. And now we have the bright, beautiful flowers and the pinks and the aquas and the yellows and some of the greens and stuff. It's just gorgeous. And pay attention to this one because it coordinates really well with Vicky's collection that's coming up next. So I think you could definitely mix the two of them quite well. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of indigo cardstock. This paper called Gather Together, which is the florals. It's just beautiful. It has little touches of brown, so I think this could carry into fall even. The back is an orange, again, kind of carrying into that fall. So hang on to it throughout the summer and mix it in what you have left then. So just a gorgeous pattern. This one called Our House, which is a play on stripes, but we have the confetti in between the hard lines. So super cute. The back is a large white polka dot on yellow. This paper called Moments is a camera print with all of the beautiful patterns, and then the background is a triangle grid. You might not see on camera. It's cute. The back is an aqua print with the little speckles. That paper is called Moments, if I didn't say that. Just beautiful colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And we have a yellow polka dot scalloped border. Love this font. Enjoy Today. Be a perfect subtitle. Better Together most of the time. So that is just perfect. Perfectly imperfect memories, family, captured, pictures, or it didn't happen, meant to be, live in wonder. This is My Kind of Crazy. And then we have all of the family titles like brother, sister, mom, and dad. Perfect to document all of your family. And then we have uncle and auntie up there as well. So that is Wicker Lane from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is Color Study from Vicki Boutin, and this is stunning. So if you love the look of mixed media, but you don't like getting messy, that's kind of me, then Vicki has you covered. So this has all of the work done for you. Her collections are just beautiful. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This one called Floral Study, which has the beautiful, big, bright, vibrant flowers. The back, again, is a perfect background already done for you. We have the orange paint down here. It's kind of a canvas background with the black stripes. The full branding strip of the daisies up here. So you could even cut like the width of the branding strip off down here so that you'd have your 12 by 12 with that little border up there. Super cute. This one is called Array of Colors. And it, again, has all of the work done for you. We have brush strokes of colors here, kind of like strips of different mixed media at the top. It reminds me of a book fanning open, and then the black dots down here. The back is a turquoise kind of bubble print. This one called Linear. Again, it's kind of got strips of all different mixed media put together on a page for you. The back is this kind of limey green grid design. So if you haven't checked out Vicki's YouTube channel or Facebook group, check it out because she gives lots of ideas how to use her product. Just makes it so easy. For the embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So this is the one that I received. So lots of phrases that I could use for titles and subtitles. And then you're going to receive a fourth a pack of the die cuts. So these will vary among the kits, but this is what I received. Just a ton of embellishments, all in that beautiful, bright, vibrant colors. So that is Vicki Boutin Color Study. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all of the add-ons that I discussed earlier in the video. I'll have links to the videos here at the end so that you can check out what all is included in those add-ons. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog to see what we're all creating and join in on the challenges, win some prizes, have some fun. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.